My name is Jill Kelly. I'm Jerry Kelly's daughter. We started the business 35 years ago, and we've been blessed to work in such a great community.
My name is Belinda Franklin, and I've been living here for about 5 years. And my daughter has leukemia, and she was also born with Down syndrome. And she was running around fine, like there was no reason for her to be sick at all. Come to find out she has leukemia, ALL. So, with leukemia, her immune system is very much weakened. And Izzy and Dale went downstairs and were playing, and he came upstairs and he's like, "Belinda, there is something in our basement." He's like, "I just feel real congested, my eyes are watery." And so that started the whole process of, let's look for someone to test our house to see what's going on. And that's where we found out that we had a not low, not high, but medium bad air quality. And this is the same day that we found out that we're going to need a new furnace.
This was definitely a case that we could help in, and that we should probably handle the whole situation so that it gets done right for the family. So we did send a crew out. We were able to replace the equipment for the Franklin family, and we were very happy that we could help. And it's thanks to customers like you that have supported us all these years that we can help others. And we wish the Franklins and Izzy all the luck in the world.
Just been amazing that we've had so many friends and just businesses don't even know us, just step up and help us out. So.
Hi, I'm Steve Miles. Here at Jerry Kelly, we're very grateful that we've been fortunate enough to be able to help families in need in our community. We want to thank all of our customers for making this possible.
Jerry Kelly, so cool.
JerryKelly.com. Give him a call even though it's late. JerryKelly.com. 'Cause Jerry Kelly's always open up until 8.